Hi guys, it's me. Today we're going to install the intake manifold, and so we're going to take a look at it and see what we got to make sense of this. So it's been a long time since I took it out, so I'm trying to figure out what's going to go where. So here it is, and this is the throttle body right here. And we have a connection here. We have a hose that connects here. We have a hose that connects here. Oh, we have a hose that connects here. And we have 3 connections here for gas. One's return, supply, whatever. I don't know. So, and then we have these big connectors right here. And then there's a bracket, and we have another connection here and here. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, so this guy right here, if you can see it, that's gonna go right here, where this hole is right here. That's gonna go in there. And then we have these 2 guys. Guess where those are gonna go? Ouch. Those 2. Those are gonna go in here. Okay? And that's self-explanatory. The side one goes here, and the one from underneath, that's the one right there. And then we have another hose. We have this hose right here. That hose is gonna go right here. Right there, where I'm pointing. And then where the hoses for these 3 are right here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then we have a connection here, and then there's another connection here. I think that's it, because there was 2 connections. So there's one here and one here. Oh, not sure where the other one goes, but I'm sure we'll find it once we install it. And then see these big connectors down here? Right here. See these 2? Those are the ones that connect to these 2 right here, and then this bracket gets installed in there somewhere. Let's see. I don't know yet. So sometimes you just gotta install it, and then you kind of figure it out. Like, oh yeah, it goes in there. This makes sense. And we'll put our gaskets in here. Gasket there, and a gasket on the other side. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 holes here. You see that? Let me get my little stick here. My pointer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same thing on that side. Because if you look at this intake manifold, put this here, we have the holes right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and same on the other side. And then these connections, I was looking at these connections to see where they go. And those connections go, okay, that's gonna go to our air conditioner, AC compressor, and then I'll show you where this goes, and then I'll show you where that goes. One of the connections is gonna go right here, and then and right here. The little white one goes in there. I cleaned them all. I cleaned the threads. Took all the dirt and garbage out of there. And so we're ready to go. We got 2, 4. We have 8 bolts right there. Okay. And now I wanted to take you on a little tour before we get started. I want to take you to the backyard. I want to see how beautiful it is today. And I'm going to show you a running stream in the backyard. You can hear it. So there's Rhonda's bird feeder. And then she built a little bridge. I'll take you guys down to see it. It's nice out here. It's about 50 degrees. Just watching my step, make sure I don't fall. And that's our patio up there. And so this is the stream. You get a hammock and just hang out back here. Read a book. So the snow is melting from way up high and it's just coming down. And this is one path it takes as it melts. You can hear the wind. You can smell the wood burning. It smells really good. And then we have wood back here. And a little area to just hang out in our shed. So this is the backyard. Alright, so let's get back in and see what we can do. Here's the gaskets for the intake manifolds. And I don't think there's a left or right side because both sides are the same. I'm just wiping it off. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to clean this. Okay, so then we can put this here, and actually there's only one way you can put it on there. You have to match the pins. Let's see, it goes in really good like that. Here's the other one that also has oil, which I don't understand how it got there. But we're gonna wipe it off. And clean it as best as we could. And so over here you have a pin right here. And you have a pin right here if you can see it. So we're gonna put it up. Well, first we're gonna wipe it. There's no old gasket stuff on it, so that's a good thing. So it goes in that hole, and then there's the pin right here, and it goes just like that. And then we're gonna take a look at the manifold. Let's take the camera with us. We're gonna take a look at it. Sure. Doesn't have any gasket stuff on it, gasket maker or whatever. So that's good. We're just gonna clean it. I hope I don't get any of this stuff on the camera. Okay. Camera's good for that side. And this time, I'm gonna spray some of this brake cleaner on the towel and just lightly wipe it down. Okay, I'm happy with that side. Let's check out the other side. Let me move this. Alright, let's see what you guys can see. Set you up here. Fix the leg. There. I like this little cart I have. I got it from Harbor Freight. And it looks good. So let's get some light here. And scrape everything off, but not too much. Okay. So let's get the screwdriver. Oh yuck. Ugh. I don't know what it is. I can make myself throw up, I think. Okay. Ooh. Ah. Looks terrible. Okay, so now let's spray some on the towel again. Get it on camera. And just gently wipe. Paper. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so let's get it and just pick it up and put it on the engine and see what happens, okay? All right, let's pick it up. This sucker's not light. Get out of the way here. Alright, so we don't want to break any connections or anything. So, let's see where this thing is. I just want to put it down on top here. Oh, that's a good seat right here. The boot. Right here. Come on, just stay there. They're not being very cooperative. We'll stick it like that. Okay, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna go there. And that is gonna go here. Just kind of clear your path and then go over the oil stick. Okay. Alright. So we're good. We're not on it yet. Is on the way. And we're just kind of moving everything out of the way so we can I'll let you guys see what I'm seeing. See, it's not lined up yet. And you see that? So let's see what we're doing here. Alright, so there's this bracket back here that's holding us. Now I think she'll be back here. Okay. So there's this bracket. Alright, move it out of the way. Move this out of the way. And then this is out of the way. Oh, this is what's in the way. Those guys will get in your way. Okay, so now we can get the, oh, a lot of dirt fell. So they're right there. And this one is right, right there. Okay, I think we're on it. Here. And the first bolt in. With your hand. And it's going to go in there. So let's get another bolt. Okay. So the bolt won't fall out. I just get some tissue, preferably a clean one. And go like that, and I go like this, or work it. Turn it a few times, take out the tissue, and then I can turn it all the way in. That my brother gave me a little magnetic dish. It's a good idea. We're gonna do it. Thanks, brother, for my magnetic dish. Woohoo! Okay, so we'll go there. Okay. And stick it in here. There we go. And this. take this one out too, so it doesn't start a fire. Now you can turn it in. And then the other one is located directly on the other side, and I see it. So the bigger the paper, the better, I guess. Just one piece. Just don't want to lose the bolt. Okay. I just saw it. Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. Oh. Something stay in there. Paper out. Okay. Are you guys having fun? I hope so. Okay, there. And then we're going to do the other side. But the other side is the same, so I'm just going to turn you guys off. Are you guys having fun? I hope so. Okay, there. And then we're going to do the other side. But the other side is the same, so I'm just going to turn you guys off. Well, I think we've come to the end of this video, but I did put the 4 bolts on each side of the intake manifold. I haven't torqued them because I might have to remove them to be able to get to the hoses in the back where the throttle body is. So that'll be the next video, and I'll show you the connections, and hopefully I can tell you what they are and what it does and what they go to. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. At the end, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how foggy it gets up here where we live, up in the mountains. And it was the other day we had dinner at this restaurant by the cliff. And so I'll show you the fog, and it's pretty cool. I love it. I love the fog, believe it or not. I like driving in it. I'm used to it. So you guys have a great one, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and I hope you guys found it interesting as I learn, and I hope you guys learn just watching and understanding what's going on here. But let me see if I can, it won't turn on. Let me see. Can you guys see this? This is the instructions. So I'm gonna have to torque them to 18.1 foot-pounds. So I replaced the gaskets with new ones and tightened 18.1 foot-pounds, and here's the 4 on each side. At least I didn't drop them. I used the tissue to hold on to the bolt inside the socket. So it always works for me. You don't want to leave the tissue there because it's going to burn, of course, once you start the car. And but no big deal. It all worked out great. I didn't drop it. I'm happy. So we'll see you guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye. We're here at this restaurant called Hortensia's, and it's at the cliffhanger, so it's right at the cliff, but you really can't see anything. There's our car, and I'm going to take you to the edge here. And if the fog wasn't there, you could see the city down there, but you can't. Everything is full of fog. We're in a cloud. That was the fog clip. Don't make fun of me. That was the fog clip, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.